Okay, so at this point, you might be telling yourself, great, let me install software containing SQL and start the course. Unfortunately, it is not so simple. Why? To implement SQL commands, you will need a database management system, often called a database or a platform. The problem is, there are a few popular databases out there, which are all based on SQL. They support various forms of the original language, and there are only slight differences between different versions. As a developer, you want to learn how to use the one that is the most suitable for your situation. We will base our course entirely on MySQL, but you should know there are other platforms like Oracle, SQLite, Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, Microsoft Access, and so on. The minor differences between the versions of the SQL language mean that transferring from one database to the other, which usually happens if you are changing jobs, would not be an obstacle for you. If you are a user of another platform, you can still take this course and easily apply the tools we teach. So, why do we choose MySQL? Because it is reliable, mature, and open source. The latter means it is free. It is used by many institutions and companies, including Facebook, YouTube, Dropbox, Twitter, Pinterest, Booking.com, and LinkedIn. Considering the well-renowned DB Engine's ranking, MySQL comes as the first open-source relational database management system. Yes, Oracle is on top with only a slight advantage, but don't forget, it is a paid software. Therefore, aiming at providing you with the best experience possible, we chose MySQL. Now, let's dig into some database and SQL theory. This will provide the set of tools you'll need when we deal with various SQL tasks in the lessons to come. Thanks for watching.